Okay, this one might throw you off a bit, but read the directions carefully. It says without using the table property. Okay, so watch what happens when I do that. I go here and do the table properties. It tells you to fetch this. And if you do this one, you're going to get an incorrect. Okay, so I got the incorrect. So I'm going to retry this again. So what I want to do is click here, go to my Home tab. All right. I can do the layout here, and if I do this one, I'm still going to get it wrong because you're going to probably try for this Align Center. It's not what you want. You want to go to the Home tab, okay, and you want to go to your alignment, which is this one, and click on Center. All right, so don't get those too confused. There's two ways of doing the table properties, but the one that they want for this particular task is this one on the button. All right, have fun.